January is normally a slow month for real estate, but these days, what's normal? I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Last January, a home was on the market in the East Bay an average of 20 days, which is about half as long as 2019. Ready for the 22 version of normal? How about 18 days on market? And this is only January. Looking at the big picture, we can see why home sales move so quickly. Buyers had few choices, 25% less than January 2021. So they had to move fast, and they had to be ready for high prices. The median sales price for a single-family detached home in the East Bay during January was $1.2 million, up 20% compared with last January. Fewer choices also meant fewer sales. January to January, sales dropped 25%. And while buyers were moving fast, there were also fewer of them in the market. Pending sales were down more than 20%. Now, let's see what's happening in our local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Big or small cities, same story. Few homes for sale. Alameda, Berkeley, Fremont, Union City, all down more than 30%. Prices up by double digits everywhere. Alameda, Berkeley, Fremont, Union City, all north of 1.5 or 1.6 million. Sales, a couple exceptions. Albany and Union City both up, but down everywhere else. Oakland down almost 40%. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale. A bit of good news for buyers with a few more choices in El Cerrito, El Sobrante, Pinole, and San Pablo. Prices, El Cerrito, $1.3 million, up more than 30%. Hercules and Richmond up almost 20%. Sales, mixed. No changes in El Cerrito, El Sobrante, and San Pablo. Fewer sales everywhere else. Now we're in central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mixed. Clayton and Martinez, virtually unchanged. Walnut Creek, 10 for sale, down 66%. Prices, Pleasant Hill, 1.2, and Walnut Creek, more than 1.5 million, both up more than 20%. Sales, down everywhere. Pleasant Hill drops more than 50%. Next up, Lafayette, Moraga, and Orinda. Homes for sale, way down. 10 or fewer homes for sale in each La Morinda community. Prices, Lafayette and Moraga both up. Orinda is the only East Bay community where prices dropped. Sales, Lafayette 11, Moraga 5, Orinda 7. We're in the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, way down from last January. San Ramon is the exception with 13 for sale. Prices, Alamo tops $3 million. Danville and San Ramon both in the $2 million range. Sales down everywhere. Dublin 21 and Pleasanton 24 sold, both down more than 40%. And finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale, mixed. More choices in Antioch and Oakley. Brentwood and Discovery Bay, both down more than 50%. Prices up. Brentwood $865 and Oakley $730, both up more than 20%. Sales down. Discovery Bay down more than 30%. Antioch is the exception. 85 sold, up 18%. More inventory may be coming as the weather warms up, although real estate in the East Bay is already hot this year. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.